In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link Google Drive to Slack so you can easily share files, previews, and updates directly inside your workspace. This is perfect for teams, remote workers, and anyone who wants to speed up collaboration without constantly switching between apps. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, and by the end of this video, your Google Drive will be fully connected to Slack. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Slack and make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to connect Google Drive. Once you're on the Slack homepage, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where most of your navigation options live. Scroll down until you see the More option and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Tools. This will open up additional workspace options. Next, inside the Tools section, click on Apps. This area allows you to manage, add, and customize apps that integrate directly with Slack. Once you're on the Apps page, look for the option that says Open in Slack Marketplace and click on it. This will take you to the Slack App Marketplace, where you can browse and install different integrations. Now that you're in the Slack Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Google Drive. When you see Google Drive in the results, click on it to open the Apps page. Here, you'll see details about what the integration does, including file sharing, notifications, and previews directly inside Slack conversations. To continue, click on the Add to Slack button. Slack will now ask you to review and approve certain permissions. These permissions allow Slack and Google Drive to work together properly, such as letting Slack show file previews or notify you when someone comments on a shared document. Review the permissions carefully, then click Allow. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Choose the Google account that contains the drive you want to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Once confirmed, Google Drive will be successfully linked to your Slack workspace. After the integration is complete, you can start sharing Google Drive files directly into Slack channels and messages. Slack will automatically generate previews, and your team can access files faster without leaving the app. You can also manage notification settings later if you want more or fewer alerts from Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully linked Google Drive to Slack and streamlined your workflow. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Slack and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.